people, welcome into my channel. Right, I've got you set up here. I'm going to start today with altering this, and I'm not going to do a great deal to it because it's okay the way it is, but it's just not right. So again, that was £1.99 from the range. I'm going to take that off. I think I'm going to start by putting some glitter onto these things. Flowers Carolina. I'm going to use the Studio G glitter glue, and I should have squeezed it down and started it off first, but hey ho, we'll get there. And hopefully you can see this is quite iridescent, and it will make a difference. You don't need to put it on every bit of the flower, just highlights on the wee top bits there, and you'll see it will make a difference. All you're trying to do is catch the light, really. So what's happening, people? What's new? I'm kicking myself because Crafty Kitty done a Mad Hatter's Tea Party table set, and I never seen it. It must have been advertised when she must have put it on, I think, when I was just recovering from my surgery, and I wasn't online quite a lot, and sometimes it would come on, you know. Sometimes I would put YouTube on and I would fall asleep or whatever happened, and I missed it, but I missed it. And I'm quite sad because I like to support Crafty Kitty. I like to support a few people, but I would have loved to have done that. And her arrangement was absolutely brilliant. It was really nice. She gets some amazing prices for things, amazing purchases. I mean, those grab bags that they get in the States, they get, sorry, Crafty Kitty's Canada, but the stuff that they get in that for $4, and it costs us more than $4 for a paper pad, makes me sick. Rip off Britain, it's right enough. But I don't begrudge them their purchases. They are well deserved. And she finds loads and loads and loads of things. I don't like the way that wee flower's sitting there. I feel as if it could be getting stuck on a bit better. And I think that's just what I'm going to do. Where's my 6,000? I think it's hiding. So I'll tell you what I'm going to do just now to get this bit finished. I'm going to thing it with a sticky pad. Just for just now. Oh, did I tell you my hot glue gun blew up the other week? Literally blew up. It popped all my electrics in the house and outside and everything. And all I was worried about was my wee fish in my pond, but they were fine. Come on now, glitter. There we go. You see, I'm just putting bits on just to catch the light. And you see, look, that's the side with some of the glitter on it, and you can see it, you can see the difference. And there's a side without. See that? Without and with. So it looks a bit wet. Am I off? No, I'm on. There we go. Oh. Glitter glue's not playing the game. And these wee buds in the middle, if you just kind of rub it over, it goes on like water droplets. And it looks kind of dewy, and that's what you're looking for. Nothing in nature's perfect. It doesn't need to be perfect. And a lot of times things like this look better when they're no perfect. believe it or not, it takes a long time to learn that. So there you are, lickety split. It's got its glitter on. This is going to be the last one here, so we're in shot. And again, I'm just, out you come, squeezing some out and rubbing it across the top, and you can see you get droplets, get big bits and wee bits. So we've had a beautiful day here today. It's been rather nice, which is a change because the weather in the summer was absolutely pants. It was rubbish. Right, that's going to do it for the glitter glue just now. I might actually pull that flower out a wee bit and stick that better. Now just remember, when you buy things in the stores or in the shops, it doesn't have to remain the way it was. This is the Dovecraft 3D Pearl Effects, and for those of you that are in the UK, yes, you can get this in the pound shop. Now this here is supposed to be, you know, it's quite flat, it's quite uninspired looking. So I'm going to make it a wee bit thicker, and I need to put it down because I was shaking there. And the secret is to try and keep equal pressure. And I'm just beefing up these lines that are here on the bottom. Hey, you made a ball and mess of that one. And then I'll put some wee gems on, I think. And this mask here is a Day of the Dead mask. Or something de la Morte in Mexico, isn't it? Right, the lines are just a wee bit more substantial now, you can see them. And I've got loads and loads and loads of bling here, so I might put some bling on. And I'm going to stick with the red and black, but I might put some clear on. Actually, because it might be too much for the red and black. So I've got them ones, and I've got these ones. And my poke tool's gone missing, so what I'll do is this one. I'm going to put that in the centre there. Ah, that's better looking. That gives it a wee bit of something. And then let me see if I want these in. Yes, I do. I'm going to put these small ones in each one of these wee bits here. And there I've got this stuff on my finger. On there. Now for $1.99 this is... Oh, there's a big plane out. That's definitely the military plane. We get quite a lot of the military planes around here because we're close to HMS Garnet. We're only a few miles away. That's huge, whatever that is. So we get quite a lot of military planes, and then when President Trump come over, he landed in Prestwick, which is just a couple of miles over the road from here. I have a bit of glue in these tweezers and it's catching everything and keeping it. I mean, it's literally only about 4 miles away. Or 5 miles away, right. I need my pokey tool, I can't do it with them. They're rubbish. Honest to God. That's better. These ones are better. Let that be a lesson to you people. Keep your tools clean. And put them back when you're finished with them, because I can't find my poke tool. And I'm not going to get around putting in all of these just now, because you'll be bored to tears watching me. So I'm just going to do the top half of these. And I really should have taken a before picture and an after picture, but I didn't. Again, didn't I? So what kind of projects are you going to be up to? Or what have you done? What are you going to be doing? Drop me a wee line and let me know. If there's anything you would like to see from myself, drop me a line. Let me know. We'll see what we can do. Right, I'll go pull it out like that. That'll do it for just now, I think. It's been blinged up a wee bit, you can see. So that'll do that one. I think I'm going to put a bit of bling round the eye holes. I might use this one actually. I'm going to run a bead round there and then I'm going to bash it with my finger. You can hear my wee fountain jiggling away. See that? See the difference? One eye's done and one eye isn't. The one with the glue, the glitter on it, it just catches the eye a wee bit more, that's all. So anyway, I think there's quite a lot of Halloween collabs coming off, so you need to keep your eye out for them, people. Right, they are. That'll do that just now. I'll maybe go back another time and do something else to it, but that'll do it for just now. So, if anybody else has got one of them round about here, mine's is going to be different. And that's what it's all about, individuality. And remember, you can get these 3-dimension, these things, the 3D pearl drops in the pound shop round here, people. They've got loads of different colours and they're quite handy for things. So go there, because I think they're either $1.99 or $2.50 or something in the range. And I'm not sure what they would be in other craft stores, but I think they would be dearer. Right, I'll leave you with that passing shot. And we'll see you all again next time. Give me a wee like and subscribe. Tell your friends and family where we are. And we'll see you all again the next time. Bye.